After watching this video, you will want to try this oil. Just watching the video, you will know that this oil is going to be great for your hair growth and also for your scalp treatment. This oil can be used to seal in moisture in your hair and also prevent hair breakages. When chemicals damaged my hair and I had to do the big chop, I've been incorporating natural ingredient into my hair growth regimen and now my hair is flourishing. If you want to know how I do this, make sure you're watching this video to the end. Let's do this. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing recipe using herbs to grow your hair. You all know this channel is all about using natural ingredients to grow your hair. But hey, before getting into all that, you know how we do it here? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like this for hair growth, you'll be notified. And when you click on the bell, do not forget to select all so you do not miss any of my videos. So my first natural ingredient or herbs is the lemongrass. Lemongrass stimulates hair follicles, which promotes hair growth and nourishes hair thickness and texture. Lemongrass can also treat your scalp of itchiness and provide relief from scalp irritation. When used in an oil, it can also prevent shedding of the hair and promote hair growth. Alright, let's move on to my next ingredient, which is oregano. Oregano has antioxidant properties that help in stimulating blood flow in the scalp, thereby boosting hair growth. It also has antifungal properties, and this helps treat dandruff and also boost scalp health. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon, and feel free to adjust the measurement depending on the quantity you are making. My next ingredient is my eucalyptus. Eucalyptus has so many great benefits for hair growth. Eucalyptus can stimulate hair follicles. It can improve hair growth and also prevent dry, itchy scalp. It prevents dandruff as well. When eucalyptus is used in a hair growth regimen, it's going to help soothe your scalp and also promote the overall health of your scalp. So I'm going to use a few of the leaves and I'm going to add it to my mason jar. Again, too much or too less of the herbs are not going to change your recipe, so feel free to add as much as you want depending on the quantity you are making. My next ingredient is the rose petals. Rose petals are also really great for natural hair growth. They have antioxidants and antimicrobial properties that can help nourish your scalp and also promote healthy hair growth. Rose petals serve as a natural cleanser and conditioner for your hair scalp. They deeply moisturize your hair and prevent hair breakages. They can also prevent dandruff, dry itchy scalp, and improve the overall health of your scalp. My next ingredient is rosemary. We're going to use the dry rosemary today. You all know I love my rosemary. Rosemary has great benefit for natural hair growth. It has anti-inflammatory properties that promote nerve growth and also improve blood circulation in the scalp. Rosemary can prevent dandruff, dry itchy scalp, and improve the overall health of your scalp. Using rosemary in your hair care regimen will prevent hair breakages or hair fall and boost your hair growth. The next ingredient I'm going to add is cloves. You all know I love cloves. Cloves have so many great properties for our natural hair. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that helps treat your scalp. It can treat your scalp from dandruff or any itchiness. It can boost your hair growth and prevent hair breakages. So you know, all these herbs or natural ingredients put together have similar properties, and that is what makes this recipe a really great one. My oil I'm going to add today is the olive oil. I love olive oil because it is lightweight, is easily penetrated into the hair scalp, and help prevent hair breakages. It can also prevent dandruff, add some shine to your hair, and boost your hair growth. Again, you can add as much as you want depending on the quantity you are making. My next oil I'm going to add is the grapeseed oil. I love grapeseed oil because it has similar properties like the olive oil. It is also lightweight and also can treat your hair of dandruff and boost your hair growth. But hey y'all, feel free to use any oil that works for your hair. You can use coconut oil, sunflower oil, any oil of your choice. But I love these two oils because of what it does to my hair. So at this point, I have a pot of boiling water and I'm going to place my jar in it and allow it to infuse into the oil. Well, whilst we wait for all this to be infused, you know how we do it. If you're still watching the video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will be notified. On this channel, I do a whole lot of DIYs using natural ingredients that can help boost your hair growth. Alright, so my oil is all ready. I took it out of the hot water, allow it to cool down, and this is what we have it now. At this point, we're going to leave the oil to sit for as long as you want. You can actually leave these herbs to keep infusing for a month or two. The longer, the better. So there is no time with this. Just leave it in it as long as you want. I allow it to infuse for about 2 weeks and now my oil is ready. I'm going to strain it and I'm going to show you the best way to use this oil to grow your hair. So at this point, I'm just going to use a strainer and I'm going to strain my oil out. And look at that yummy oil, girl. Just the smell alone coming out of this oil, you will know that it's really going to work for your hair. The herbs, oh my goodness, guys, you need to give this oil a try. So I see some little residue in it and I don't want that in my hair. So I'm going to use my paper towel. You can use a cheesecloth, anything with tiny holes to strain it the second time. I love to strain my oils twice because I don't want any particles in my hair. And I don't want that for you either. So make sure whenever you see those particles, you are straining your oil twice. And look at that, girl. Look at that yummy oil. Alright, so this is my oil right now. I'm going to transfer it into a bigger bowl. That way I can add my other ingredients. So my other ingredient I'm going to add is my fragrance oil. And I know you've already guessed it. That is my lavender oil. I love lavender oil because of its fragrance. But aside the fragrance, it can also add some strength to your hair and treat your scalp. The good thing is you do not need much. Just a few drops will do the trick. Okay, so after everything, I'm still going to add some rose petals. Guys, you all know I'm a little extra. And I just like the look and also it will keep infusing into the oil. So if you strain your oil, make sure you add some rose petal. You know what I mean? To add some, you know what I mean? Okay, so this oil is looking so good. I'm going to show you how I use it. And when I have my daughter's hair all dried up, matted, ready to break, I go in with water, spray the water, make sure it's all soaking wet. Then after that, I go in with a leave-in conditioner. Use any leave-in conditioner, your favorite leave-in conditioner. Use it in your hair. You do not have to leave your hair to dry like so. You always have to moisturize your hair every week. Then after that, I go in with this yummy oil. And after massaging it into it, make sure you get it into the scalp, get it onto your edges, to the ends of your hair, so you do not experience any hair breakages. And after that, you're gonna just love it. Just keep using this. I always tell you, all my recipes are natural ingredients and they take time to work. So whenever you use it, give it some time and be consistent with it. Consistency is key. So whenever you use this, make sure you are using it often. And look at how the girl's hair is looking. It's popping. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a video a thumbs up and see you at my next one. Bye.